Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you staring at your backyard thinking it needs a serious glow-up? Maybe you've got a patch of grass that's seen better days, or an old cracked patio that's just, well, sad. You dream of a beautiful outdoor space for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying the fresh air, but custom stonework or fancy decking can feel way out of budget. What if I told you the secret to a high-end, stunning backyard could be right under your feet, and it's something you might have overlooked? I'm talking about concrete. Now, before you click away, I know what you might be thinking. Concrete? Isn't that gray, boring, and industrial? Not anymore. Today's concrete patios are a world away from the dull slabs of the past. They are the ultimate chameleon of backyard design, incredibly versatile, super durable, and surprisingly affordable. From modern minimalism to rustic charm, you can achieve almost any look you can imagine. In this video, we read diving into 10 stunning concrete patio ideas that will completely transform your backyard and make you the envy of the neighborhood. Let's get started and pour some inspiration into your next project. First up, at number 10, we have the classic broom finish. This is probably the most common and budget-friendly option, but don't underestimate its simple elegance. The texture is created by dragging a special broom across the wet concrete, which creates fine lines that are not only visually appealing, but also provide excellent slip resistance. This makes it a super practical choice for pool surrounds or areas that get a lot of rain. You can keep it a classic gray for a clean, modern look, or you can add a color hardener to the mix to give it a warmer, more inviting tone. It's the perfect, reliable foundation for any outdoor design. Coming in at number 9 is stamped concrete. This is where things get really exciting. Stamped concrete is like the master of disguise. Specialized patterns and textures are stamped into the fresh concrete to mimic other, more expensive materials. Have you always dreamed of a natural flagstone patio? You can get that look with stamped concrete. Love the rustic appeal of cobblestone or the classic pattern of brick? Yep, you can do that too. The variety of available stamps is incredible, from realistic wood planks to intricate slate tiles. This technique gives you the high-end look of natural stone without the high-end price tag or the intensive installation. At number 8, we have stained concrete. If you're looking for a way to add rich, vibrant color to your patio, staining is the answer. Unlike paint, which just sits on the surface and can chip or peel, concrete stains penetrate deep into the pores, creating a long-lasting translucent color. There are two main types: acid-based stains and water-based stains. Acid stains react chemically with the lime in the concrete to create earthy, mottled tones like tans, browns, and soft blue-greens. Water-based stains offer a much wider and more consistent color palette, from bold reds to deep blues. You can even use multiple colors to create unique, artistic designs. Moving on to number 7, let's talk about exposed aggregate. This finish is all about texture and natural beauty. Instead of a smooth surface, the top layer of cement is washed away before it fully cures to reveal the small stones, pebbles, and sand that are part of the concrete mix the aggregate. The result is a beautiful, pebbly surface that's naturally slip-resistant and incredibly durable. It has a very organic, earthy feel that works wonderfully with rustic, coastal, or nature-inspired backyard designs. Plus, it's great at hiding minor dirt and imperfections, making it a low-maintenance choice. At number 6, we have the ultra-modern polished concrete. Think of a sleek, high-gloss finish you might see in a contemporary art gallery or a chic loft apartment, but bring it outdoors. The concrete is ground down with progressively finer diamond abrasives to create a smooth, mirror-like surface. While it looks incredibly luxurious, be aware that a highly polished outdoor surface can be slippery when wet. A good contractor can apply a non-slip coating to mitigate this. Polished concrete is perfect for creating a sophisticated, seamless transition from your indoor living space to your outdoor patio, especially with large glass doors. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the combination of concrete with paver or tile inlays. Why choose just one material when you can combine them? This idea involves pouring a concrete patio but leaving spaces for decorative inlays. You can create a border of elegant porcelain tiles, a checkerboard pattern with brick pavers, or even a mosaic centerpiece. This hybrid approach adds a ton of custom character and visual interest. It breaks up the large expanse of concrete and allows you to introduce different colors, textures, and patterns for a truly one-of-a-kind design. It's a fantastic way to personalize your space. Next up, at number 4, we have scored and grooved concrete. This technique is a simple but incredibly effective way to add pattern and dimension to a plain concrete slab. While the concrete is still wet, or even on an existing slab, using a concrete saw, lines are cut into the surface. You can create a classic grid pattern to mimic large format tiles, a dynamic diamond design, or even a more intricate geometric pattern. When you combine scoring with staining, the grooves can be stained a different color from the main squares, creating a really dramatic and customized look for a fraction of the cost of real tile. At number 3, we're getting creative with concrete slabs and gravel. Instead of one continuous slab, this design uses large individual concrete pavers, or slabs set apart from each other, with the gaps filled in with decorative gravel, small pebbles, or even a low-maintenance ground cover plant like creeping thyme. This creates a really stylish, modern, and almost Zen garden-like feel. It's also a great solution for drainage, as water can easily percolate through the gravel. This design feels lighter and less imposing than a solid slab and integrates beautifully into a lush garden setting. Our runner-up at number 2 is the board-formed concrete look. This is a huge trend in modern architecture and design. It's created by building the forms for the concrete pour out of rough-sawn wood planks. When the concrete cures and the forms are removed, the concrete retains the detailed grain, knots, and texture of the wood. This gives you the industrial strength and durability of concrete, but with the warm, organic aesthetic of wood. It's a sophisticated, high-impact look that adds incredible texture and character, perfect for creating feature walls or stunning patio surfaces. And finally, the number 1 stunning concrete idea to elevate your backyard is the multi-level or tiered concrete patio. If your backyard has a slope, don't see it as a problem, see it as an opportunity. A multi-level patio creates distinct zones for different activities. You could have an upper tier near the house for dining and a lower tier with a built-in fire pit and comfortable seating for lounging. Connecting the levels with wide, generous concrete steps can create a grand architectural statement. This approach adds so much dimension and functionality to your backyard turning a simple slope into a dynamic and visually spectacular outdoor living area. So there you have it, 10 incredible ways to use concrete to create the backyard of your dreams. From the simple and affordable broom finish to the architectural drama of a tiered patio, concrete proves it's one of the most versatile and stylish materials out there. Hopefully this has sparked some ideas for your own outdoor space. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're planning for your backyard transformation. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more home and garden inspiration. We'll see you in the next one.